Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of how good are Kraus faucets? For style and functionality is renowned for its quality, innovation, and stylish designs and functionality. So let's get started. When asked which brand of plumbing supplies her plumber preferred, many people would likely answer Kraus. The brand has gained worldwide popularity thanks to the major online exposure of its listings on Amazon. However, if you're wondering how good are Kraus faucets and services, there are many factors to answer the questions. As you might have known, most Kraus products come with competitive prices, making these high-quality products and services all the more surprising. The customer service of the company is highly regarded by the vast majority of its customers. In the unlikely event that they are unable to resolve your issue, they will replace your entire device at no cost to you. Generally speaking, Kraus faucets are good products for the price. It means that they would be a great deal if you choose particular products that suit your requirements and preferences. Let's see how Kraus products could be what you're looking for. Different styles and finishes. Kraus has a finish or style to fit practically any need. All in all, the sinks come in chrome, stainless steel, satin nickel, oil-brushed bronze, satin nickel, and of course, the popular black matter. Spot-free all-bright finish is applied on some models. A transitional look with a modern build characterizes these Kraus faucets, which range from classic to modern in terms of design. Compatible sizes. The height of the faucet over the counter is the most important factor to consider when it comes to choosing the correct fixtures. In order to accommodate the majority of kitchen sinks, Kraus faucets are available. Spout reach and height are also important considerations. The distance between the counter and the spray head and the distance between the faucet body and the spray head are the two most important factors to consider. You can use these measurements to see if a vessel sink can be used to connect to a faucet and how much space you have there. Faucet operation. Almost all Kraus faucets are single-handle models. Single control levers are intuitive and simple for most people. Because Kraus's control levers bend 90 degrees forward rather than backward, there is no need to worry about a mismatch between the faucet's back wall and its backsplash ever again. Kraus, on the other hand, does offer a few to-handle faucets. In terms of touchless versions, Kraus isn't offering any just yet. Water flow rate. Water flow rates might range from 1.2 GPM to 2.2 GPM, with most products at 1.8 GPM, but they're generally well-directed and the water stream is considerably low flow. Low flowing, but the well-directed stream is created by them. The majority of these faucets are WaterSense certified, meaning they have better water efficiency because they use less water than normal faucets for around 20%. Evergreen finish. Kraus faucets all appear to be resistant to rust, and so are their sinks and related components. Even the worst Kraus faucet critiques make no mention of the possibility of corrosive rust. Faucet C for Smart Innovation offer a diverse range of options to suit your unique style and preferences. Elevate your kitchen experience with a faucet that not only meets your functional needs but also enhances the overall aesthetics of your culinary haven. Thanks for joining us on Home Haven. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement tips and tricks. Until next time, happy cooking!